Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here today to do one of my favorite kind of videos, an unboxing video. Gotta get my trusty dusty knife out. My school supplies, Hello Kitty school supplies box cutter. Puka. I don't know how to say it. It's from Wajimaya. Came in elementary school supplies kit. Okay, today we have a delivery from Nike.com. And together we're gonna see what has arrived. Ooh, looking good. Looking good. Oh, is that a hair? Oh, that's a piece of tape. Okay, so they taped this, opened, they taped this, and they got it on the box, and I hate that because I saved the box. Okay, bad job, Nike.com. Don't put tape on the shoebox. It fits so nicely. Ching. Kyrie 7, boy. If it's too perfect, but I can't get it out. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. If you want to say the tag. Ching. Kyrie 7. Oh, cool. Look at inside of the box. Oh, this will be worth keeping. I like this one. Okay. Don't mess up my Queen Bee coffee. Okay, you may come forth. Ooh. So fresh and so clean. Ooh, dope. These are the yellow rose. Hold up, I can't see, I'm blind, y'all. Okay, black Arctic Punch. Black Arctic Punch. Okay, so on the website it said black Arctic Punch and yellow. I thought it said rose. I must have been watching the Golden Girls too much. Thought it said rose and yellow. But, boom. The swoop is pink. Arctic Punch. The big K is, the K is pink, and then the lines down the middle are yellow. And then signature in the back's got a pink design. It looks gold. Maybe that's gold. I don't know, y'all. I'm blind. I don't know if that's pink or gold, but that is yellow right there. So, and if you can see, under, this is all like netting, and under it you can see the Arctic Punch. This is so squishy. They're so, and they feel so firm. Since the top is this material, these ain't gonna be like Air Force Ones or nothing, getting all crinkled up. And they look like they'll be easy to clean. I do know they have this netting with the color underneath, so I hope they're not too bad. They say Air Zoom Turbo on the side where this little wave is. These are clean. I love these. And they're so lightweight. I like Air Force Ones. I like Shell Toe Adidas. But I'm telling you, I'm getting old now. The Adilettes, whatever they are called. Basically the Croc Shell Toe Baby. That is so lightweight. That's the kind of shoe I love. They're like walking on marshmallows. Plus I'm heavy, so it's like the squishier the better for me. I know I've heard skinny people doing these say like, oh, it's too soft. It doesn't feel sturdy. But for me, I'm all the way about it. I'm all the way about the stuffing. So they should make shoes by weight. I mean, preferred for a weight. You know what I mean? It sounds stupid now that I said it. Now I'm like, rewind, delete that, cut that out. But I won't. I'll try to be genuine, even if I say something crazy. So, yeah, these are totally dope. There's a little like circle or swirl under the black in the Arctic Punch. I hope y'all can see these. These are so dope. So dope. Anyways, I hope you like my video. Check out my other ones. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You can watch me do all my weird stuff on TikTok. And subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see y'all soon. Bye, guys. So I just thought I should give y'all an update. My handsome son's here is tying his shoes. He don't want to be on the video, so I'm just going to show y'all his feet. Just so you know, in like Air Force Ones, he can wear like a 9.5 and a 10. But these are 10.5 and they fit solid, like perfect. They run small, or they're supposed to be fitted and they need some stretching. He said they are not too tight. We ordered a 10.5 because we thought he would have room to grow in these, but they fit too perfect. He's gonna need an 11 to grow or 11.5 to grow. These are so well fitting that his toe is like literally like right there. But they are like a stretchy material on the top. Yeah, so I just wanted to let y'all know. I think these run on the smaller side. So I hope that helps y'all.